Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the vector operation. So this is the part 4th of our series. Friends, we have made one series on mathematical methods. So now we are moving toward the next slide. So vector operation. So now we are going to deal with the first vector application, vector operation, which is multiplication of the vector. Now in this diagram you can see there are three vectors, bar a and bar a. So how we can do the multiplication of these? Now you can easily see these vector have same length and they all are directing in the same direction. So in that case we can do the multiplication of these three vectors, that means bar a into bar a into bar a, and that is nothing but the 3 bar a. So this is nothing but the multiplication of the vector quantities. So what is multiplication of the vector quantity? A vector whose direction is same as that of the a and magnitude is 3 times the magnitude of the a. That means for the multiplication a vector should be same. So we can write the same vector number of times of that vector, right? So this is nothing but the multiplication operation of the vector. Now we are heading toward the second operation, which is addition and subtraction of vector. So in case of addition and subtraction, you can see over here there are two vectors. One vector is represented by 3 and another vector is represented by 7. Right now these two vectors are heading toward the one direction, and if they are heading toward the one direction, that represent addition. So what is 3 plus 7? 3 plus 7 is 10. Right now in the second example you can see this is first vector of the length 10 and this is the second vector of the length minus 3, but they are directing in the opposite direction. Opposite direction represent subtraction. So 10 minus 3 is 7. In the third example you can see this is the first vector which is 4 and this is the second vector which has the magnitude 4. So what is the addition? 8. Right. So now friends, we should remember over here that we can add the quantities, right? If the vectors are same, then and then only we can add or subtract. That means if a vector is representing the force, then we can add the quantities of force only. In that we cannot add the vector quantity of acceleration, right? So it need to be remember here, we can add or subtract the same vectors, right? So this is all about the vector operation. So friends, now we are going to stop over here. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. And if you have any doubt, put that doubt in the comment box below. Thank you.